Well, something a little different this Tuesday. Last Tuesday, we looked at the Connie, the first generation Bachmann 280.
Right.
With the outside frame and all of that stuff. And we mentioned how you can get new gears because ours has broken gears and so on. And a friend of ours, Don, he fell in love with it after watching the video. And he said, I gotta find one.
I've gotta have one.
I gotta have one. And so he found one in Great Britain. And he said, the guy has 2 of them.
Oh, naturally.
And me being hopeless, guess what I did?
You bought it.
I bought the other one.
Of course.
So what we're going to be doing is getting this new one, and then Dawn and I are going to be tearing them down, rewiring them for sound and digital and gears, and you can follow all of this along.
Oh boy, that sounds like fun.
However, there's something else that we really wanted to mention. Back when you bought these first generation Bachmanns, they came with a VHS tape. Remember VHS?
Yeah, I still have a few.
We've got so many. Well, what do you do with a VHS tape?
Put them with the 8 tracks.
Put them with the 8 tracks. They're kind of a novelty, but
yes,
that's about all they are. It's a novelty
item.
But they came with a VHS tape on how to maintain your beautiful new Bachmann locomotive. And they had this guy that would come out and he would explain how to go about lubricating your Bachmann. And here's a link to one of those videos, and there's all of them are online, of course. You don't actually have to dig out your VHS player.
Hey, it's fun.
Because people have gone to the trouble of uploading all of these old VHS. And they would call this guy that came out the Bachmann. The Bachmann, and he'd show you how to open up your gearbox and what kind of lubricants to use and where to buy the lubricants. None of this is pertinent anymore because none of these places are even in business anymore. Anyway, we've been following this new-ish kind of YouTube channel, That Big Tree Guy.
I subscribe to him. He's funny.
He's funny, and
I laughed and laughed.
He does big train reviews and stuff, very similar to what we do on a typical Tuesday. And they're all great, and they're all funny, and he runs them on his garden railroad, and it's great. But he just put up the funniest video. He parodies the Bachmann.
Oh, wonderful.
And he redoes one of these VHS tapes on how to maintain your Bachmann locomotive. And he's got the Bachmann cap and the Bachmann, just exactly like the guy on the video. But the best part is, even though he's British, he parodies this guy so perfectly that his American accent is flawless. He not only does not sound British, he sounds exactly like the old guy on the, well, not very old, but the guy on the Bachmann tapes.
I need to practice on my English.
So here's a link to his channel and that video. And since it's a new channel, while you're at it, do subscribe.
Subscribe to his channel. He is a hoot.
He's a hoot, and his product reviews are first rate. I've learned things, I've got all this stuff that he's reviewing, and I'm learning things about, I don't know. So it's all very informative, and then it's fun to see it running around on his garden railroad. But the funniest thing is to watch him just nailing the American accent and parodying.
Doing that thing he does so well.
Doing that thing he does so well. So go over to his channel and watch that and crack up, and then while you're at it, subscribe to his channel.
Right.
And like his videos because they're a hoot.
Yes.
Well, if you haven't been over to the channel, do pop over to the channel. And if you're not a subscriber, while you're busy subscribing to That Big Train Guy, subscribe to us too.
Yes, absolutely.
And like this video too. And the easy way to do all of those things, the blue button. Ready for it? Zoink, right there. The blue button. Well, we're not sure how you found this video on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring. And go to England and watch that, and we will see you here on Tuesday.
We'll see you.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.